Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer. Now let's start drawing. In this video, we learn to construct the conic section of ellipse. For more videos on conic sections and engineering graphics, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw. Construction of ellipse by eccentricity method or general method. So let's read out the question. Construct an ellipse when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm and the eccentricity is 2 divided by 3. Find the lengths of the major and minor axis. So to draw this, first let's draw an axis line of convenient length and then draw the directrix A, B and C. Now from the question we know that the focus F is at a distance of 50 mm from the directrix. So let's mark the focus. So this is the focus F. Now let's find out the vertex. The eccentricity in the question it is given for ellipse as 2 divided by 3. So the distance from the directrix to the focus is 50 mm. So let's divide this line into 5 parts, that is of 10 mm each. So since the eccentricity is 2 divided by 3, so now at point V, so let's draw a vertical line and name this as E, such that VE is equal to VF. Now let's join these points E and C and E and F. Now from this point E, so let's extend this line and at point F, so let's draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees. So join this line to meet the previous line. So name this point as H. Now draw a vertical line at H to meet the axis. So this point is known as V dash. So this is the another point of the vertex. At the point V dash, let's draw another directrix and focus similar to what we have drawn on the left side. Now between the points V and V dash, let's mark number of different points. Now here I have marked 8 points between both the vertex. Now let's draw vertical lines at these points on both the sides of the axis, such that it meets this line CH. Now from these lines we have to mark the points of the ellipse. So to do that we have to draw the arcs at all these points. So let's measure the distance of 1 dash and with F as center mark the point at 1. and repeat this on the other side of the line. Similarly, measure the distance of 2 dash with F as center, mark the arcs, and then with 3 dash as radius and with F as center, mark the arc. So similarly, repeat the steps for the remaining number of points. Now let's mark these points as P1, P2, P3, P4 up to P8. Now from these points, let's trace out the ellipse. Now let's measure the major and minor axis. So after measuring the major axis, we get it as 120 mm and the minor axis we get it as 90 mm. So this completes the problem. For more videos on engineering graphics, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.